Welcome to Charles Hope Canary Wharf, South Quay. Imagine yourself in the heart of London's vibrant Canary Wharf, steps away from the iconic financial district, with the convenience of easy access to London's attractions. You can scan the QR code now displayed on screen, or check the description below to secure your booking and discover availability and special offers. Charles Hope Canary Wharf, South Quay offers modern, stylish apartments perfect for both business and leisure travelers. Each apartment is designed with your comfort in mind, boasting contemporary furnishings, fully equipped kitchens, and spacious living areas. Enjoy the convenience of free high-speed Wi-Fi throughout the entire property, keeping you connected during your stay. The hotel is situated in an ideal location to explore London. Explore the stunning architecture of Canary Wharf, visit the Museum of London Docklands, or take a short tube ride to the heart of the capital and see sights like Buckingham Palace, Big Ben, and the Tower of London. The guest experience at Charles Hope is designed to be seamless. You will be greeted by a friendly and efficient team, ready to assist with any requests. Whether you require local recommendations, help booking tours, or simply need assistance with your apartment, our staff is dedicated to ensuring a memorable stay. The apartments also offer the option for cooking your own meals with the fully equipped kitchens. This provides flexibility and allows you to enjoy meals at your own pace. With easy access to public transport, exploring London from this location is incredibly convenient. The Docklands Light Railway, or DLR, offers a fast way to get into the city centre and to other desirable parts of London. You can also explore the local area by foot. So, you can see all the sights, visit local restaurants, grab the perfect cup of coffee, or simply relax knowing you are in a location with excellent transport links. Don't forget to scan the QR code now to book your stay at Charles Hope Canary Wharf, South Quay, and experience the best of London.